Guys, this is Venkat. Welcome back to our channel Travel with 26 Letters. In this exclusive video, I am going to present you how to use unless in English. What is the unless? What is the meaning of unless? And how it can be used in English? What is the difference between if and unless? In place of if, can we use unless? So this kind of things we are going to know in this exclusive video. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Okay friends, unless. Unless means according to dictionary, if not, in case of not. Let me give some examples. Unless you start now, you can't reach in time. Let me say three important points for better understanding use of unless. The first one is unless is a conjunction. You know, conjunction joins two phrases, two words and two sentences. In this case, unless joins two sentences. The first one is you start now and second one is you can't reach in time. Okay, so it is a conjunction and it can be used at the starting of the sentence or the middle of the sentence. Example, you can't reach in time unless you start now. It is okay. Okay, the second point is unless tells only present and future, not past. Something is going to happen in future, including present, not past. That is the second point. And third point is usually unless, we use unless along with positive sentence. You see, you start now, it is a positive sentence. We use unless along with sentence. You can't reach in time. Can't, it is a negative. That is the next thing. The next thing is, you know, if you use unless in any sentence, in the second part or in the first part, surely we have not. That means negative. Okay. Now let me say some examples. Unless you start now, you can't reach in time. That means in case of not start now, you can't reach in time. That means it is better, it had better to start now. Otherwise, we miss something. It may be train or bus or anything else. Next one is, unless you study well, you can't pass. It means if you study hard, you can pass. Without studying hard, it's impossible to pass. It means. Okay. The next one is, I won't go unless my father tells me to do so. Here, we use unless in the middle of the sentence, but not as usual at the starting of the sentence. I won't go. It is a negative in future. That means I will not go unless my father tells me to do so. To do so means to do like that. In case my father tells me to do so, I won't go. Okay. Next one is, unless I know what happened exactly, I can't comment. You know, here actually we use simple past in main sentence. Unless I know what happened exactly, including simple past and present. I know is a simple present and happened means it does something past. Actually, the entire sentence is in simple present. Why? Because I know. I know what happened exactly. I can't comment. That means I don't want to say anything because I don't know what happened exactly. Without knowing what happened exactly, how can I comment? Friends, now I am going to tell you the difference between unless and if. Unless means if not or in case of not. If means in case. Let me explain by using a sentence. Unless he has the money, he can't buy a car. It means in case of not having the money, he can't buy a car. So in the second part of the sentence, that means the future sentence we have usually negative. Why? Because in the first part we use unless along with positive sentence. In case, if you change the sentence without losing its meaning and use in place of unless if, it has like this. If he has the money, he can buy a car. I think you may notice the difference between these two sentences. The difference is, in the above sentence, we use negative, that means can't. In the second sentence, just we use positive, that means can. So, the difference is, whenever we use unless in the sentence, in the second part, That means in future sentence, we need to place negative like can't, won't, don't, like that. In case if you use if in place of unless in that sentence, that means in the part of second sentence, we use just positive like that, can, will, shall, in that way. So I think you are getting my point. Next one, unless she takes the medicines, she can't recover. It means if she takes medicines, she can recover. She can't recover and she can recover. So if you use unless, we use negative. Other hand, if you use if, there is no negative. Friends, before winding up this video, a small request for you. Unless you subscribe my channel, you can't learn English. It means if you subscribe my channel, you will learn English easily, in easy mode. So I requesting you to please visit my channel and subscribe and share. And also I'm requesting you to please press on bell button for getting my latest video notifications. Bunch of thanks to you for watching my videos.